This is the Zeiss Ikon Contessa folding camera with the Zeiss Tessar 45mm f2.8 and a filter case that comes attached to the strap of the leather case here. I'm gonna start by showing you the filters. The case pops open. 3 filters: yellow, red, and green. The camera itself is in this leather case. It has a case that has this knob here so you can advance the film while the case is still on, and you can see the film counter, and you can see that the case is designed to be used with it on, but for the purposes of this demonstration here, I'm going to take it off so you can get a better look at the camera itself and its condition. The case itself is in really good condition. The leathers is not too badly worn. It is worn to some degree, but it's not too bad. And then the leather, or I'm sorry, the velvet, or whatever material that is, I'm pretty sure it's velvet. Lining is, whatever it is, it's pretty nice and soft. Yeah. Okay, so that's the case. Here's the camera itself. It has a filter on it right now, so there's actually 4 cases that, or 4 filters that come with this camera. This one that's mounted on it is UV. All right. And then these other filters just screw on opposite from the way it looks like it would screw on. Sort of, they screw on backwards. So I guess to allow other, well, I'm not sure. I'm not going to speculate. They screw on in an unusual way, but they screw on nonetheless. Okay, so the camera's mostly had this UV filter on it for many years, so I'm just going to keep it on there to keep that. Well, actually, while I have it off on, I try to get everyone a better glimpse of the condition of the lens itself. See if I can get some light in there. You can see, for the most part, the lens is pretty clean. Can you see the shutter there? Pretty clean. Yeah. I could try to shine light through it and show the functioning of the shutter at the same time. So how about I do that? Okay, so I'm going to set the exposure to bulb, and I'm going to make it think that there's film being advanced, because it has all these, well, not all, I don't want to say all, but a lot of the Zeiss Ikons have this protocol to protect it from double exposure, so you have to make it think that the film is advanced in order to get the shutter to work. So okay, so now that the shutter, I've got it set to bulb, I'm holding down the shutter. See some light through it. The lens, for the most part, seems pretty solid. You can see some smudges, some light scratches. Yeah, but nothing too significant. While I have that open, I'll change the exposure to half a second. Demonstrate the timer. About half a second. And, well, I might as well do one more. 1/25. There you go. So, yeah, shutter works. The lens is pretty clean. The film advance is, well, the rollers, and, you know, it's not surprising that they're working. They tend to work. The serial number there you can see at the top is A3895.